Welcome to our Advanced Microsoft Visio course. Our introduction course gives you a rock-solid foundation for using Visio, and now you can take your skills to a whole new level. We start by showing you how to customize your shapes and stencils by using drawing tools and shape operation commands. And we teach you how to work better and faster by creating customized stencils and using masters within a stencil. If you're producing drawings on a regular basis, you'll want to save time. So we devote the next module to creating styles and templates that will standardize your drawings and reduce your workload. The next section covers another extremely popular use of Visio, which is drawing floor plans. You'll be shown how to do office layouts and also how to use layers to show and hide detail, which is critical in many types of diagram. The next two modules show you how to work with external data, whether it's importing from an Excel spreadsheet, connecting shapes to a database, linking to a Word document, or even using Project to create a Gantt chart. And for good measure, we show you how to save your diagram in other formats, even as a web page. The final section looks at how you can save a whole lot of time by automating tasks with macros and customizing your shapes using shape sheets. You will be amazed at how this will speed up your work. So now, it's time to start.